Rebuilding Trust, a guide to healing relationships. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that we often hear in conversations about relationships. Let's rebuild trust. Understanding this phrase not only helps us with our English language skills but also teaches us about the dynamics of human relationships. So, let's get started on this journey together. Let's rebuild trust is a phrase that's used when someone is looking to repair a relationship where trust has been damaged. It acknowledges that trust, once broken, can be rebuilt, but it requires effort from all parties involved. This phrase is composed of three key parts. Let's suggests a collaborative effort. It's an invitation to work together. Rebuild implies that something was built before, was damaged or destroyed, and now there's a need to construct it again. It conveys a sense of restoration. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, whether personal or professional. It's the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. Understanding each component helps learners grasp the phrase's full meaning and the commitment it entails. Trust is crucial in any relationship because it is the glue that holds people together. Without trust, relationships can become unstable and may eventually break down. Trust allows people to feel safe with each other, to share their thoughts, feelings, and to rely on one another. When trust is broken, it can lead to feelings of betrayal, hurt, and uncertainty. Rebuilding trust is not an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Here are some steps involved in rebuilding trust. 1. Acknowledgement of the issue. The first step is recognizing that there was a breach of trust and addressing the issue head-on. 2. Apologize and forgive. The person who broke the trust should offer a sincere apology, and the other person should try to forgive, understanding that forgiveness is a process. 3. Commit to change. Both parties need to commit to behaviors that rebuild trust. This could mean setting new boundaries, improving communication, or being more transparent with each other. 4. Follow through with actions. Actions speak louder than words. Consistently following through with actions that demonstrate trustworthiness is crucial. Effective communication is key to rebuilding trust. It involves active listening. Listen to understand, not to reply. This shows that you value the other person's feelings and perspectives. Honesty and transparency. Be open about your thoughts and feelings. Hiding things can lead to further mistrust. Patience. Understand that rebuilding trust takes time, and be patient with each other during the process. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to rebuild trust, and how significant this phrase can be in our lives. Remember, rebuilding trust is a journey that requires mutual effort, understanding, and commitment. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay curious, and keep learning.